So we designed key fob bracelets, and the function of these bracelets is to make it easier to get in and out of the building. Especially when the person is carrying a lot of bags, it's hard to look for their lanyard, and it's a lot easier to just tap their wrist to the sensor. So that's the main purpose.
I have designed my bracelet as a one-piece silicone band. This is because it's more easier to wear. You don't need a locking system. It's not going to slip off because it fits you. So, and also silicone, it's very comfortable. It's soft material, so that's why I chose it, because of its convenience and its comfortability.
Mine, it's made out of Ninja Flex, and it has the Pro logo at the front, and it has a simple band. So I made it very simple, so it's nice to wear on a daily basis, and it's not very fancy. And the holes make it adjustable for anyone to wear depending on their size. And at the back, there's a cutout for the chip housing, which is going to be made out of PLA. And the chip, it's going to be inserted into the housing by pausing the printer while the housing is being printed halfway. And then it'll be glued in here, so that way the chip's safe in the bracelet. If I had to start this project over or do something differently, I would have started with a flat band in the very beginning, because the first time I printed the prototype, it had a curved face, so it wouldn't be very comfortable for everyone to wear, because the curve wouldn't sit the same on everyone's arm. So I think instead of wasting time on doing this curve, it would have been easier, and it would have saved time if I just started off with the flat band.
And for me, I would have started with having 3 different sizes from the beginning, because it didn't just click to me during my research. I thought that if I found an average sized wrist, it would fit everyone, but it wouldn't. So I wish I just started off with having 3 different sizes. In this way, it would save a lot of time from my research and from my designing steps and procedures. I learned that prototyping and researching is a very important aspect of your modeling steps. This is because these two concepts will drastically shape your final product. And also prototyping will allow you to give you a visual and a tangible product, which allows you to see the pros and the cons of your product.
I learned that there's a lot of trial and error that goes on through the process, and it's not going to be perfect in the first time, because what you design in the software, it might look like it fits, but once you print it out and once you actually try it, it might not be comfortable, or it might be slightly off. So that's where the prototyping comes in. You need to have printing out those models actually helped us understand where we need to make changes, and that was very important when we had to decide how much longer should it be, or how many more holes should I add, because we had it in our hands and we could actually see how much it needed to be changed.